Yeah, look, Austin is absolutely correct. We are coming out of a decade of undersupply of housing and construction. And that's why the government has made a decision last year, once a government was formed, to have a serious intervention in the housing market. 20 billion euros.
After a decade, though. I mean, it's still
Fianna
gold.
Fáil, hold on a second. It's a new government. It's a new government, Claire.
Okay.
Now, to be fair, and it's a new housing plan. Which,
well,
no, Claire, this is important for your listeners.
Yes.
This is important for your listeners. Because I'm dealing with people every day who are paying too high rents, who do want to buy their own home and are being priced out of the market. That's why 20 billion has been committed, 20 billion euros has been committed to deliver 300,000 homes. That's 4 billion this year and another 4 billion for the next 4 years. That's 20 billion over the next 4 years. It's backed up as well by the local authorities building homes and affordable homes that will actually...
Are there enough affordable homes? Do you accept Sinn Féin's criticism on that there aren't enough and the target is too low in the area of affordable housing?
I don't accept Sinn Féin's criticisms because their criticisms and their plans don't stack up. They say that we should be investing more in delivering housing. We're spending 20 billion, we're investing 20 billion. Sinn Féin proposed spending 2.8 billion. They're suggesting we should make housing more affordable. We're using state-owned land to make housing more affordable, and they voted against that. They're suggesting that we should help renters who are paying too high rent. We're already spending 900 million a year to support renters because we recognise that renters are paying unaffordable rents. But on top of that, we're giving a bridge to home ownership through having the local authorities build homes, affordable homes, starting at 160,000. They're real homes that are being built. Sinn Féin are objecting to these homes being built. They have objected in my own constituency, in O'Devany Gardens, right across Dublin.